This is a screencast for teachers to give you an overview of how to access the new ICP site created by Mike Wilkes. So the first thing you need to do is to navigate to your JT Learn homepage. I'm using a safe environment, the JT Learn Sandbox. So once you're at your JT Learn homepage, you'll notice in the top navigation bar there will be a link, and you want to click on the one that says My ICP. Once you get to the ICP page, it has several components on it. Important messages, so you can actually add in a message for your students and it will appear on their page as well. Resources for students, so we already have the Academy application students will be filling out in social science and submitting within their ICP site. The link to career cruising, which they'll be utilizing in advisory and setting career goals, and also our new overgrad program where students can map out their 4 years and see how they align to those prospective colleges they're interested in. So I'm going to walk you through a student search. And I'm going to hit search. So I have a John Doe. You're going to have some information on your page. So the more a student enters, it's real time, you would see it as well. So right now for John, we have John's Explore 8 scores from his freshman year, and then Explore 9 that he took at the end of his freshman year. So these are the scores that they use to place him in his classes. These are the scores that he took, or the exam that he took the end of his freshman year. So this gives me an idea of where John came in and where he grew to after his freshman year in all our classes. John also has the opportunity to set growth goals. So as he can type in any kind of growth goal and save it to his site. So a growth goal could be to increase by 3 points by working and he's going to tie that to his plan, and all John has to do is hit save goal. And then there it is. So now John has 2 goals. He has a math goal. He'd like to increase math score by 3 points. But now John has an English goal for his upcoming plan in 2015 to increase the English score by 3 points by working with my teacher on my writing skills. So students have the opportunity to add as many growth goals as they want, and also they can delete them, and there's different assessments that they can apply these to. The Explore, the Plan, the ACT, their math benchmark scores in their support or math classes using Renaissance, the Reading through Achieve, and even an AP test. So this is good ways for your students to set goals and to reflect on those goals and to even revise them. So that's one component of the ICP, that you can have those conversations with your students during class time or advisory time. Another component is tied to the students' career interest and goals. The students will be visiting the Career Cruising site and completing an online career interest survey, and from that survey they will be entering their career goal. They can also have possible career choices that they can enter in here. So it's up to them what they enter in here. So a career goal could be from my career cruising is engineering, and I'm going to save that goal. So then that would appear on my site. So a career goal is to be in the field of engineering. Again, I can delete these or even edit them. So you could see what students have entered or even spend time with them during advisory class to update their ICP page. Also, this is where students will be linking their career reports completed in their core classes. So they're not going to be uploading the actual document, but actually providing a link. So once that link is provided, you as the teacher or advisor can click on it and see what the student has actually uploaded. Same with their career presentation, which they'll be completing in social science. The ICP artifacts are things that students will be completing, learning activities specific to the 9th grade ICP. So the Academy application will be completed in social science. They will complete it, save it on their OneDrive, and then provide that link within their ICP site, as well as provide additional artifacts within this component. So, for example, they may write a letter to a congressman about a topic that they feel very passionate about, and they could save that letter in here. And this is a nice portfolio students will be compiling from 9th grade on, and they can use this for application process for colleges, scholarships, and even jobs. So it's a good way for students to see their accomplishments from high school and help them plan for college. Also, the students do work with their counselors, with their community service, but this is also a nice platform for them to personally keep track of their community service. So there's a spot available here, as well as their awards, activities, and accomplishments. So they can type in what they received, what kind of achievement was it, and save it. So this platform then is almost an online resume for students to compile their accomplishments in high school, but then the teachers have access to as well to see what those goals and career interests of each of their students are. So this was just a brief explanation of the ICP and how you can use it in your classroom or advisory.